What's going on, guys? I'm not going to waste any time because I transparently have to go to bed. This is kind of a revolutionary tool that Go High Level just came out with. And yeah, I'm just going to get right into it. So, how to make this? You're going to obviously open up a workflow. You're going to add a new trigger, and that is going to be Instagram comment, and then in parentheses S, so comments on a post. So you're going to click comments on a post. That's going to be right. That's going to be right. Page is, you're going to select the correct page. Post type is, that's going to be also correct. It's going to be published post, and then it says post is. So now this is where you're going to have to make sure you have the right post here. So and it's kind of amazing. It gives you the exact dates that that post was made, and as soon as you make, you select a post that you want to track comments from, and that's the trigger that you want to make. You'll hit view on Instagram, and this part is really cool. So it'll pull that exact video up. So as you can see here, I have a call to action, which is comment on my post. So as you can see, nobody comments on my post because I have zero interactions or zero engagement. That's besides the point. So comment web if you'd like to make something cool, talking about why people need a personal website. So I'll go back here, and then what I will do is I'll add one more filter and contain. I'm going to do exact match, and I'm going to do web and track first level comments only, save trigger. So now we have a trigger that should absolutely be working for this post. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to create an action. So if I type in Instagram, it should pop up. So Instagram interactive messenger. I don't know if this is right. Oh yeah. So reply to comment via DM, or wait, let me just check here. All right, okay, so I found it. You will hit add action. You'll go down to where it says reply in comments, and then you'll do a couple of responses. So this is what uh, the software is going to take one of these comments. You can add. I don't know exactly. Let's see how many you can add. Looks like you can kind of add however many you want. This is important because you don't want to just have one reply. Instagram or Facebook is going to see that one reply and be like, "Oh, okay." So you have 100 comments and that are web, and every single comment is reply to the comment is the same exact comment. Instagram it doesn't like seeing robotic behavior, uh, so spice it up with this, and I mean that's kind of whether you want to like comments or not. That's up to you. I would probably prefer to toggle that one on. But anyway, I'm going to put some reactive comments in there and get back to you in a second. All right, out of the interest of time, I just put in 4. So what I'm going to do is hit save action, and just to make sure that this is working correctly, what I'm going to do is save this, and then I'm just gonna test it out for myself. And the sky is kind of the limit here. Um, you can wait to respond to the comment. I think that would probably be beneficial. You can then you can put a DM in here. No, I'm gonna do that right away. So DM. Of course, you're not gonna say this, but here's some info on website building. Save action. I'm going to save that again. Made sure to publish it. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to MK Media. And on my last post, which was my website post, I'm going to comment web. I don't know if it's case sensitive or not, but we will see in just, well, actually, I'm not going to test that right now. but all right, I'm gonna pause it real quick, and I'm gonna get back to you in a second. All right, awesome news. We got okay. This is gonna take forever to load now that I'm on camera, but here I'll show you on my phone here. 2024. Now more than ever, everybody's using their. So I commented web, and I got the automatic response. Great, DM'd you. So I will show you the exact workflow log, but you probably can't see that. All right. We'll go to the enrollment history. And as you can see here, it says Instagram DM that finished, execution log. Let's just take a look at here. So added to workflow, respond on comment. All of these were successfully fulfilled. And now let's check out the actual post itself. Just make sure. Okay. All right. So, okay. So you can see it says 2 comments here. For whatever reason, Instagram doesn't want to show you my comment. But I will show you my messages where this auto-populated right back in. So here's some info on website building. So that is, let's see, I'll just show you that one again. So here's some info on website building. That got sent right into here. And there, I'm going to go back over here. So as you can see, there's a DM and there's a response. Can't really see it through here. That doesn't show very well, but I tried to be as to the point as possible. As you can tell here, the options are kind of endless. So this is really cool because for me, I had to work in ManyChat and in Go HighLevel. So now I don't even really need to worry about ManyChat, and I don't have to worry about credits or anything like that. I can do that all in house. And yeah, I don't know. I just came about that, so a couple minutes ago, quite candidly. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little breakdown. If you wanted to make this into a Facebook post, like a reply to a Facebook post, or a reply to a comment on a Facebook post, same exact steps would apply. And yeah, like I said, sky's the limit. And hopefully you enjoyed this. I'll be using it for just about every one of my posts, especially with the popularity and the engagement that lead magnets are getting on Instagram. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys took something away from this video, and have a great rest of your day.